Top 4 must-have kitchen gadgets for a modern home. 1. Anti-Odor Drain Cover. 2. Quick Defrosting Tray. 3. Rotating Bottle Holder. 4. Rotating Grain Dispenser.
Introducing the Anti-Odor Drain Cover. Perfect for any drain. Crafted from nearly 1 mm thick stainless steel for durability. The innovative auto valve reduces odors instantly. Ensures smooth water flow and a fresh, clean home. Perfect gadget.
Speed up defrosting with the Defrosting. No electricity needed, no batteries required. No chemicals needed. Quick defrost things, safe for food. Fully natural. The perfect kitchen assistant. To help prepare all your favorite food, it is here. The defrosting plate board can defrost meat in half the time. Most naturally and healthily. It locks in all the natural juices and nutrients. No bacteria build up. Subscribe for more.
Chinese people love this gadget very much. Stop putting all the bottles and jars in the kitchen on the countertop. It not only looks messy but also inconvenient. You can try this rotating shelf. All kinds of bottles and cans can be placed on it. It is convenient to take anything, no more scrambling to get things in the cabinet.
Did you know that every family uses this amazing gadget in Chinese homes? Meet the rotating grain dispenser. It's perfect for dispensing grains, seeds, or rice with ease. Simply turn the knob and voila. It's that easy. Plus, it's super easy to clean, ensuring hygiene for your family. No need for more storage solutions as it keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. With its compact design, it fits perfectly in any kitchen, saving you space and time. Elevate your kitchen experience with this must-have tool. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. The rotating grain dispenser is your new kitchen essential. Subscribe for more interesting videos.